These are the top 5 most annoying bird sounds, and the last one sounds like a T-Rex. Wait for number 1. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel if you love birds. Number 5. Barn owl. That eerie screech sounds like something straight out of a horror movie. Number 4. Asian glossy starling. Loud, repetitive, and impossible to ignore. Number 3. The mighty raven. Deep, harsh calls that sound like it's judging you. Number 2. Cassowary. That low, booming sound can literally shake the ground. Number 1. Kori Bustard. The bird that sounds like a T-Rex. Close your eyes and tell me this isn't a dinosaur. Which bird sound surprised you the most? Like and subscribe for part 2.